Hey guys, I'm back with another video. I feel like my hair needs some TLC. I think I'm gonna fix up my roots and give myself a haircut. So I'll take you guys along the way. I'm totally doing this so sloppy right now, but it's okay. I just did two ponytails, one like this and one like this, and my hair's curly. And my hair's still curly, so let's see how I can do this. I'm using a YouTube video to show me how to get this done. I followed this video before, so I think I'll be fine. I did retie the front one to make it a little neater. So let's start cutting. Guys, I don't even have my actual hair cutting scissors, so I'm just gonna go for it. Bye bye. Just got that one section done. Feels better already. I'm back. Now I'm gonna do the upper part. She goes like this. And she even had like another hair tie in the middle here. Maybe I should do that too. I got another hair tie. I'm gonna pull it, section it. One more here. Since my hair is longer, this is gonna help. I think I'm good with cutting this much off. Let's go. Okay guys, let's check it out. I went on a motorcycle ride earlier, so my hair is definitely looking extra crazy. Hey, I actually really like the hair. I need to wash it because it's been through a lot today. I had to wear my motorcycle helmet, so I think my hair looks okay for what it had to go through today. Guys, this is the hair after the haircut. Maybe I could still cut a little bit more here. What do you guys think? Should I just cut these parts off? I cut that side a bit more. I kind of like that. I felt like it looked too stringy there, so let me cut these too. I am definitely not a professional, and I totally be winging it. I just use YouTube videos to help me out, to be honest. Okay, let me fix this last bit too. Guys, that's such a simple cut. Literally two ponytails, one in the front, one in the back, and I feel way more refreshed already. Let me do the roots, then I'll wash my hair, and then I'll add some new colors. I have some new products that I'm going to be trying out from Overtone. Thank you so much, Overtone, for sending me a care package to try out. I can't wait to use your products. I'm already finished cutting my hair, so now I'm gonna make the bleach mixture. Let's start applying now. Just put the bleach in my hair. Now time to wait 30 minutes and I'll take a shower and wash it all out. And then I'll add the color in. Taking a little snack break. Haha. Guys, I washed my hair. This is what my roots is looking like. I'm gonna blow dry my hair and then I'll add the color in. This color looks unreal. Oh my gosh. So good. Guys, I left it in for almost 2 hours, so now I'm gonna wash my hair, shampoo and condition it, and put another mask in it too. So I'll be right back. Guys, I'm loving this color too. It's giving me fall vibes. I can't wait to see what it looks like when it's dry. I'll show you guys how it looks tomorrow after I style it. My hair feels so fresh, and I love that I got to cut some dead ends off too. I'll see you guys tomorrow. Bye. Guys, this is what my hair looks like the day after. I didn't get to curl it yet, but I will show you guys what that looks like later. Hey guys, this is what my hair looks like styled. I love this color. I think this is one of my new favorite reds. It's so pretty. It's so beautiful. I love this cherry chestnut. I can't wait to use this again next time because I got so many compliments on this hair color already. Thank you so much, Overtone. I love this hair mask so much. I can't wait to continue to experiment with more products from you guys. Thanks again.